So, welcome everyone. Can you see this smart guy? It's me. Jokes apart. So, welcome everyone to this amazing video. This video is relevant for my lovely South India students who were constantly demanding for a English regular batch. So, here I am launching a 100% English detailed regular batch for my South India students. So, if you are looking for this batch, please stay tuned with this video. Also, if you have any of your friends who are looking for this batch, just one request, do share this video with them. Okay, so without wasting any time, let's start. Let me give you all the details regarding this batch. First of all, this is going to be a regular batch in 100% English. So this is relevant for those students who don't understand Hindi at all. If you understand Hindi by any chance, then we already have a Hindi regular batch. I would recommend to go for that batch in case you understand Hindi. But if you don't understand Hindi at all, no problem. In this batch, we will study everything in 100% English. Okay? So, would be great for you. Next thing, this batch is relevant for which attempt? It is relevant for May, November 25 and onwards. That means if your attempt is in May 25, November 25, May 26, November 26, May 27 and onwards, you can go for this batch. As in FR, there are hardly any amendments. And if there are any, I will cover it for you. Don't worry. Okay? Sir, how much we will target in this paper? See, FR is the first paper. So it is very important to set the tone for your exams and for your studies as well. So we will study in such a way that we can score minimum 80%. Just to clarify, we will cover everything. Coverage in this batch will be 100%. It's just that we are going to target minimum 80%. Of course, this is minimum. Upside, it's up to your potential. Definitely you can crack more marks. Okay? Sir, what is going to be the duration? Because this is a regular batch, we will cover everything from scratch. I will assume that you don't know even the basics of accounts. Okay? And that is where we will start studying in this regular batch. That is why we are going to take approximately 250 hours, 5-10 hours plus minus might be there, where we will cover all the concepts, all the questions. Okay? So what is the start date? So the start date is going to be 22nd of October. Let me tell you, this is a recorded batch. Okay, so recordings will be available from 22nd October onwards. So I will on daily basis keep on uploading few lectures, and by 30th November, all the lectures will be uploaded. So I would recommend you that if you want to start your FR, you can definitely go for this batch. Enroll as soon as possible because even the delivery of books will take approximately 4 to 5 days. So if you order today, within 4 to 5 days, you will get your books, and then by 22nd October, you can start. Okay, so I will start uploading. As of now, also, I have uploaded few lectures, so at least you can start. Okay, so don't worry about it. Enroll as soon as possible, and within a span of 30-35 days, I will upload all the lectures fully amended, covering everything as on today. As on today, whatever RTPs, MTPs are there, everything will be covered in this batch. Okay, so no need to worry about it. Acha, there is a small pre-booking offer also. So enroll fast. Pre-booking offer will end by this date. Okay, so post that prices will increase. So act as soon as possible. Okay, so applicability I've already informed you. Start date 22nd October, but let me clarify, this is a recorded batch. Okay, this is a recorded batch, so recordings will be available. I won't be coming live and teaching you. See, I want to be 100% transparent. I won't keep anything in suspense. So let me tell you, this is a recorded batch, but it is a full lively batch. Lively means it will be entertaining, it will be interactive, and you will definitely enjoy this batch. Okay, that is my guarantee to you. Okay, it is a fully amended batch. Okay, on first day, that is 22nd October, I'm going to keep a Zoom session for you guys. Okay, link you will receive on mail after you enroll. So whoever has already enrolled, you will get a mail max by tomorrow. Whoever are going to enroll, you will get the mail one day prior to your batch. So it is recommended, please enroll as soon as possible so that we can get the books delivered to you as soon as possible, and you will also receive the mail regarding the first Zoom session. Okay, acha, I will also make the recording of this Zoom session available so that in case if anyone enrolls for this batch later on, you can access this Zoom session. In this initial Zoom session, I will guide you how to approach this batch, how to watch the lectures, how to prepare, how to revise, everything I will guide you so that after this, you can start with your FR lectures. Okay. So what is going to be the validity? I am giving you 3 years of validity so that if you enroll today, and even if you are going to attempt, let's say after 2 years, you will still get the access of the lectures. You can watch it anytime. There will be 1.7 views. Okay. So regarding books, you will get the hard copy. Hard copy of books will be provided, 2 colored concept book, 2 question bank. covering everything from ICI syllabus, ICI modules, RTPs, MTVs, past paper, everything will be covered. That means apart from this, you need not refer anything. Also, I will give you one MCQ booklet. Okay. Sir, coverage, as I already mentioned, we are going to cover everything with 100% conceptual clarity. And we will discuss everything in such a manner that even if new question comes in exam, we are able to crack it, because we are not going to ratify, we are going to study everything conceptually. Okay. Question will be solved in the class itself. Also, one thing which I do is my USP, that along with class solving questions, I also give you markings of important questions. Let's say in class, a particular topic has 20 questions. We will solve all of them. But there are 4 questions out of this 20 which are important. So I will mark that as LDR. LDR means last day revision for you. Okay. Why? Because see, everyone is able to cover the subject once. What matters the most is the revision. So for revision, these 4 questions are such questions that will cover all the concepts. That is why this will be done by me only in the class itself. You can ask your seniors if they have enrolled my batch how helpful this is. Okay. So what about MCQs? Will you discuss MCQs also? Case study based MCQs, we will provide a separate lecture at the end of the batch. Why at the end? Why not during the topics only? Reason being, in MCQs, there are multiple topics involved. So for example, ICI ask a case study and then they're asking for MCQs. In that case study, there will be multiple topics. So you can't solve it until and unless you know the full FR. That is why this will be done, but at the end of the batch. Okay. Also, so what about revisions? As you said, revision is important. So we will revise everything within class also. Okay, at least 2 to 3 times within class. Also, I will provide you separate revision videos in your Google Drive exclusively for you guys. Okay, so in your Google Drive, there will be separate revision videos folder. So you can watch the lectures. Within lectures, we will revise it 2 or 3 times. Then, after you are done with the studies, you can access the revision videos after the batch also. So this is exclusive, something which is available for you guys. Okay. So test will be there. Yes, we have a folder wherein I have uploaded some chapter wise test. Also, I will be guiding you regarding the full syllabus test as well. So topic wise and full syllabus test will also be available. How to appear this and all, I will guide within the classes only. Don't worry about it. Duration already mentioned. Doubt solving, again, once you enroll for the batch, details will be there in your Google Drive. So once you enroll, you will receive the link of the Google Drive. In that, each and every detail is there. Don't worry about it. And if in case I miss out on anything, we are interacting on Zoom on 22nd. And also apart from this, we will keep on continuously meeting in 2 to 3 weeks. So that if you face any issue, I'm always there for you. Don't worry about it. Okay. So now you have given so much details. Now, if you feel that you have the need for this batch, or any of your friends need this batch, you can enroll this from bbvirtual.com. I'll just show you in a second. Ta-da! See magic. So this is our website wherein you can go in CF final financial reporting. Okay, here you will see one batch that is here. Can you see? Full English regular batch. Yes, sir. We will click on this and here you can see a smart boy. Yeah. And you can enroll whatever option you want. You can enroll for this. We also have option of without books, but please remember, in without books, we will not give the hard copy. So this is to be chosen only by those students who already have the hard copy. Okay. In this, we are going to send the latest books. So it is recommended you go for the normal with books option. Okay. You can log in and you can enroll from here. Okay. If you have any other queries, comment section is yours. Definitely put in your queries. I would be more than happy to reply. Okay. So see you in the batch. I hope, I don't hope, I know for a reason that you will definitely enjoy this batch and you will definitely love this batch. Okay. So see you in the lectures. Thank you so much. Bye-bye everyone. Take care. See you all. Bye-bye. And do spread the word. Bye-bye.